Thanks so much. A man who's been sitting on death row for the last 16 years is now getting a new trial.
But should he be released on bond while he awaits for that trial to start? A Hamilton County judge heard arguments from both sides today. WLWT News 5's Karen Johnson was in the courtroom and is live downtown to explain what happened. Karen?
Well, hey, Ashley, no decision yet. The judge says he has quite a bit of information to consider and will make a ruling sometime within the next 2 weeks. Lamont Hunter is accused of murdering and raping his girlfriend's son, 3-year-old Trustin Blue, in 2006. Hunter was convicted the following year and sentenced to death despite maintaining his innocence, saying the child fell down the stairs. Then just a few weeks ago, a new development. Hunter was granted a new trial after federal defenders working with Al Gerhardstein's firm uncovered new evidence. The new evidence resulted in the deputy coroner who originally ruled this case a homicide to change her opinion to an undetermined death. Hunter was back in court today. His attorneys asking he be released on bond while he awaits a new trial. Prosecutors say he should be held without bond.
You've got a healthy child left alone with a single caregiver, and then the child ends up dead. The cause of death is a homicide. The only person that could have done it is Lamont Hunter.
First, we talk about the safety of the community and the prior record. We've dealt with this at the first bond hearing with a very minimal record, in that which involves basically no prior violence of Mr. Hunter. Mr. Hunter, prior to his incarceration, had been around children his entire life and has 6 of his own.
And today, prosecutors presented the judge with documents, 5 pathologists from the Hamilton County Coroner's Office signing off on the documents, saying they believe Trustin Blue's death was a homicide. The attorneys for Lamont Hunter called an ER doctor to the stand who testified he believes the injuries to the child were consistent with a fall down the stairs. Reporting live downtown tonight, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.
Now, Karen, I know Hunter was granted a new trial, but is there a chance that he could be offered a plea deal?
You know, as a matter of fact, Ashley, yes, and that came out today. Prosecutors said they were in discussions of a plea deal. The discussions were he pleads guilty to manslaughter and endangering children, and his sentence would be time served. But prosecutors said that may be off the table now because they have these documents from these 5 pathologists who believe it was a homicide. So we'll keep our eye on any new developments on that end as well.
Some big developments here. Thank you, Karen Johnson, reporting live for us from downtown.
All right,